Hare Krishna students. Are you okay now? Okay, I hope you are okay. Please stay home, don't go outside. So, today we are going to learn Ditya Vibhakti. What? Ditya Vibhakti. Everyone know na about Prathama Vibhakti? Huh? See, the chapter 3 is your Prathama Vibhakti. And see the rules one more time. Prathama Vibhakti means subject. Rules is oho, o, aha. For feminine gender, a, e, aha. And for neutral gender, e, ani. So, oho, o, aha, a, e, aha, e, ani. Am I right? Okay. And this is the verb rules for this. Remember one thing, that verb always follow the subject. What? Verb blindly follow the subject, not the object. Okay? So, verb always follow only Prathama Vibhakti. So, Prathama Vibhakti, for Prathama Vibhakti, these verb rules will be follow. So, for Ditya Vibhakti, no verb rules are there. Okay? So, Prathama Vibhakti rules is masculine gender oho, o, aha, feminine gender a, e, aha, and neutral gender e, ani. Either this no or ana. Oho, o, aha, a, e, aha, e, ani. This is the Prathama Vibhakti rule. That means subject. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn Ditya Vibhakti. Okay. See, today we are going to learn Ditya Vibhakti Karma Karak. So, Ditya Vibhakti means object. You can see here, no verb rules. I am giving here just example, nothing else. So, Ditya Vibhakti means object. Verb will follow the subject, not the object. So, for object, we have to learn only this much rules, nothing else. So, let's start. Masculine gender rules. O, an. What? O, an. Prathama Vibhakti we learn oho, o, aha. In masculine gender we learn oho, o, aha. Now in Ditya Vibhakti we are learning that o, an. What? O, an. Feminine gender in Prathama Vibhakti what I learn? What you learn? A, e, aha. Am I right? A, e, aha. Now see. In Ditya Vibhakti, e, aha. What? E, aha. That one, a, e, aha, e, aha. A, e, aha, e, aha. Oho, o, aha, o, an. Oho, o, aha, o, an. Okay. But neutral gender is very easy. Okay. Neutral gender, Prathama Vibhakti also e, ani. And Ditya Vibhakti also e, ani. Okay. So please remember Ditya Vibhakti rules. O, an. Say with me. O, an. O, an. E, aha. E, aha. Neutral gender e, ani. E, ani. Either this no or this no. O, an. E, aha. E, ani. This is akar, okay? O, an. No. O, an. This is no, okay? O, an. E, aha. And e, ani. Now see the example. O, an. Balakam, balako, balokan. What? Balakam, balako, balokan. In Prathama Vibhakti, what you learn? Balakoho, balako, balokaha. Am I right? Balakoho, balako, balokaha. Balakam, balako, balokan. Balakoho, balako, balokaha. Balakam, balako, balokan. Okay. Now let's see. E, aha. What? E, aha. Balikam, balike, balika. E, aha. Balikam, balike, balika. In Prathama Vibhakti, what you learn? Balika, balike, balika. Am I right? Balika, balike, balikaha. Ditya, balikam, balike, balikaha. Balikam, balike, balikaha. And in neutral gender, both are same. Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. If patram patre patrani, then patram patre patrani. both will be ana prathama ditya, and where will be dantanna means this no, then both will be this no. Phalam phale phalani like this. Okay, because both rules are a ani. I want to suggest you something. With this chapter, please follow this Parishisto. Page number 77. See, all Vibhakti are here. From here, you will memorize only Prathama and Ditya Vibhakti for this chapter. Okay, see, this is O ending masculine gender. Okay, Balak Sabdarup. Prathama Vibhakti see, Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha, Balakam, Balako, Balakan. Balakaha, Balako, Balakaha, Ditya Vibhakti, Balakam, Balako, Balakan. That same rules we are following here. So please, this much your homework to memorize for means only Prathama and Ditya Vibhakti. Okay, this much you will follow. This to your homework to memorize. Okay, only masculine gender. Now go to feminine gender. Feminine gender also I told na a e aha, am e aha. See, lata lati lataha, feminine gender. Okay, lata lati lataha, latam lati lataha. First, so here also you will learn only Prathama and Ditya. This to your homework. Means just homework means reading homework. Okay. Now let's see neutral gender. Neutral gender. Phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. Okay, so these two your homework. Understand? Please memorize this page number 77 and 78. Okay. So your homework is, I am writing the page number 77, 78. Okay, your homework is 77 and 78. Only Prathama and Ditya Vibhakti, both. Okay, now let's see. We can read. Okay. Ramaha minam anayati. Ram is bringing the fish. Your this chapter is showing you how you can use the Ditya Vibhakti. That means object. See, all red color are here. Object. Subject should be here, and this verb will follow the subject. Okay. See, I am giving you one example. See, Samaha. How many boys are here? Only one boy. Samaha. His name is Samaha. What he is doing? Pashyati means watching. The boy is that Sam, this boy is watching. But what he is watching? He is watching two fish. Here Sam is one, that's why verb also singular rules. See, T rules. Ti taha anti rules, you know na? Ti taha anti. See, T rules. Samaha one, that's why T rules. It will never change for the object. Maybe object can be many. Say many. Then also verb rules will follow the subject. Okay. Now let's see. Ramaha minam anayati. Ram is bringing the fish. Samaha mino pashyati. Sam is watching two fish. Dhibaraha minan. Balakaha balako balakan. Okay. Ramo raman. That's why minan. Dhibaraha minan bahoti. The fisherman is bringing, or you can say carrying, many fish. Bearing or carrying, same meaning. Okay. In your book it is written bear, that's why I wrote here bear. Okay. You can write carrying also, it is correct. The fisherman is bearing or carrying many fish. Okay, now see next row. It is feminine gender. Before it is masculine gender, now it is feminine gender. Like lata, late, lataha, lotam, late, lataha. We will use here lotam, late, lataha. Same as like kanyam, kanye, kanyaha. Mata kanyam bhojayati. The mother is feeding the daughter, or mother is feeding the girl. You can say daughter here, no problem. Daughter and girl both are meaning of this kanya. So shikshakaha Kanye pathayati. The teacher is teaching two girls. Okay. Shikshikya kanyaha pathayati. The teacher is teaching many girls. Okay. Gopalaha pustakam pathati. Gopal is reading a book. Sita pustake anayati. Sita is bringing two books. Okay. Gita pustakani nayati. Gita is taking many books. Okay. Now let's see the next page. Please remember all the meaning. You have to memorize, otherwise you cannot read the chapter, and meaning is very important. In exam also maybe I'll give the meaning. Okay, here are some example. See the first one, masculine gender. Okay, masculine gender. Khagam, khago, khagan. Okay, like balakom, balako, balakan. Khagam, khago, khagan. Ditya, what I told? Latam, late, lataha. Balikam, balike, balikaha. So latam, late, lataha. What I told for neuter gender? Phalam, phale, phalani. Am I right? Kusumam, kusume, kusumani. Kusumam, kusume, kusumani. This is also meaning of flower. Kusumam, kusume, kusumani. Okay. Now see Sarvanam. This is very important. Okay. Sarvanam you have to memorize. And this thing will come in exam also. So please read. I give here some pages. Why I wrote? Because in these pages you will get Prathama and Ditya together. Like that I told now that 77 and 78 page. There you will get that Sarvanam, this Prathama and Ditya both together. That's why you have to read those pages also for Prathama and Ditya. Okay. Say etat. Okay. You know na, etat punglinga, that is esoho eto ete, esoho eto ete. Now see Ditya. Etom eto vetan, etom eto vetan, esoho eto ete, etom eto vetan. Okay. Now see Tot. Tot is what? Prathama Shohotoute. You know na, masculine gender Shohotoute. Now see the Ditya. Tom toutan. So esoho eto vete, etom eto vetan. Soho toute, tom toutan. Okay. If you follow this page number, you can see there. So this page number also your homework. Okay. But only Prathama and Ditya, not all. Read only Prathama and Ditya. See Kim. You know, in masculine gender, koho kouke. You know na, koho kouke. Now see the Ditya. Kom koukan. So koho kouke, kom koukan. Okay. Now go to feminine gender, strilinga. Okay. You know, esa, ete, etaha. That Prathama Vibhakti one, you know, esa, ete, etaha. Now see the Ditya Vibhakti one. Etam, ete, etaha. Esa, ete, etaha. Etam, ete, etaha. Understand? Follow this page. Now, tot. You know, sa, te, taha. Now, learn this one. Tam, te, taha. Prathama Vibhakti sa, te, taha. And Ditya Vibhakti tam, te, taha. Sa, te, taha. Tam, te, taha. This one. Esa, ete, etaha. Etam, ete, etaha. Understand? Now, Kim. In feminine gender, you know. Ka, ke, kaha. Am I right? Prathama Vibhakti ka, ke, kaha. Now see the Ditya Vibhakti. Kam, ke, kaha. Ka, ke, kaha. Kam, ke, kaha. Ka, ke, kaha. Kam, ke, kaha. You have to memorize like this. Please follow the page number. Now Napumsaklinga. Etat. You know, etat, ete, etani. See, here also etat, ete, etani. Why? Because you know na, that Prathama and Ditya both are same in neuter gender, like phalam phale phalani, phalam phale phalani. कुसुमम कुसुमे कुसुमानी कुसुमम कुसुमे कुसुमानी, like this. Eta tete etani in Prathama and Ditya also eta tete etani. See, for tat te etani in Prathama and Ditya also tat te etani. Please follow the page number. Kim also in neuter gender. Kim also Kim neuter gender. Prathama vibhakti Kim ke kani and Ditya also Kim ke kani. Okay, please follow this page number. Okay, so this page number also your homework. Only Prathama and Ditya. What? Only Prathama and Ditya. Don't read all. Only Prathama and Ditya. Okay, so only Prathama and Ditya is your homework. And here also only Prathama and Ditya. Okay, so I given few homework to you, please memorize. Okay, so page number 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Okay, so page number 77 to 81 is your homework, but not all. Only Prathama and Ditya vibhakti. Okay, only Prathama and Ditya vibhakti. Page number 77 to 81. 77 to 81. Continuously you will reading only Prathama and Ditya vibhakti. For all gender, definitely for all gender. Okay.